Hello everyone, and welcome to Into Choral with the Voices Foundation. It's great to have you with us. Our Into Choral sessions will help you dive deeper into quality choral repertoire and will provide some additional support with how to teach these songs to your choir. My name is Charles MacDougall, and together we'll be exploring my favourite warm-ups, songs from around the world, and much more. We'll be here every Monday until the end of term to get you excited and inspired to keep singing. So let's wake up our bodies, get our air flowing and free those voices. Copy me. And up, shake, 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 shakety shake. And an up, shake, 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 shake. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. And a down, 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 shake, 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 shakety shake. And a forward and a back and a side. Forward and a back and a side. And a forward and a back and a side. Forward and a back and a side. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. And a down, shake, 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 shakety shake. And a down, shake, 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 shakety shake. And a forward and a back and a side. 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 And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And a shh, 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 Now, I said that we would sing songs from around the world, and today's song comes from Trinidad and Tobago, the southernmost island country in the Caribbean. Now, being in the Caribbean, they have a lot of beautiful weather, but like most islands, it can get a little windy, which apparently causes the young woman in our song some problems. Her name is Ophelia. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Now that's just the first verse of the song that we're going to learn today. And a couple of tricky words in the lyrics there. Arima. Well, Arima is a place. It's in Trinidad and Tobago. That's where Ophelia is in this part of the song. And blow away, well, that's just a way of saying blow away. But for the purposes of the song, we combine the two words and say blow away. So say for me, blow away, blow away. Very good. So with the tricky lyrics cleared up, let's learn the lyrics properly. After me. Ophelia, let her blow away. 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 It blow away in a rima. 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 And that's all the lyrics we need to learn for the verse of this song that we're learning today. So now I'll sing each line and you can sing it back. Ophelia, let her blow away. 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 It blow away in a rima. Blow away in a rima. It 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 blow away in a rima. Well done. Now before we join those phrases together to make our complete verse, let's just focus on the start of every phrase because I think that's the trickiest bit of this song. Listen to the beginning of the first phrase. Ophelia. Can you just hum that for me? Now let's sing it. Ophelia. And now the whole line. After me. Ophelia, let her blow away. Ophelia, let her blow away. It blow. Hum that for me. It blow. And now the whole line. It blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima. Very good. And now the next section. It blow. Can you hum that for me? Now the words. It blow. It blow. Now the whole line after me. It blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima. It blow. The next line. Hum it. It blow. It blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima. So with the beginning of each of those phrases tidied up, can we see if we can join the phrases together? Here's phrase 1 and 2 joined. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. How did you do joining those two phrases together? Now let's join all of it together to make the whole verse. Use your thinking voice to sing through and tap the pulse while I sing the song, and really concentrate on how each of these phrases joins up and also how many times we sing everything. So do we know what the structure of the song is? Here we go. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Hopefully you heard how we joined the whole song together, but also that we repeat everything. Each section happens twice. Now we know that, shall we sing the whole verse and see if we can get all of those things together? 1, 2, off we. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Fantastic work, guys, if you're managing to join all of that together and be really accurate about the beginning of each phrase. Now, there isn't much time to breathe between the phrases of this song, but let's make sure, even though we're short on time, that those breaths are never snatched, they're never panicked, that we always think about using our tummies for the breath and never our shoulders and our chest. So first of all, let's stand up, feet apart, knees unlocked, shoulders open, nice long spine, chin down, feeling really relaxed. And I want you to watch as I sing how I breathe between the phrases. Look down here. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Do you see? Down there, my tummy's moving. I was moving my hands as well to draw attention to it, but it's my tummy doing the work. So can we try that now, making sure that it's our tummies doing the work for the breath, that we feel that breath all the way down here. I'll keep moving my hands so we know when to breathe. You guys do the singing for me. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Fantastic. So the breaths between the phrases are quite straightforward, but let's work to get that breath right at the beginning of the song in exactly the right place. Watch where I do it. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia. Fantastic work, guys. So that's a lot on our precision there, but let's think about the meaning of this song and how we can perform it a little better. Well, I hear very much the behaviour of the breeze and the wind in this song. In those first phrases, I feel almost like I can feel the letter being snatched from my hand. Ophelia, let her blow away, as the wind grabs it and takes it away. So let's sing those first two phrases with a feeling that the end of the phrase is almost being snatched away from us by the wind. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. You hear how imagining we're being carried away at the end of that phrase makes us sing the end of the phrase lighter. Blow, Ophelia, let her blow away. And we feel that real bounce as we're carried on the wind. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia, let her blow away. Lovely. And then these next phrases, it blow away in a rima. Well, that high phrase seems to say to me, well, the letter's been carried up there somewhere. And then it blow away in a rima. It's skittering along the pavement, as paper sometimes does in the wind. And then it's back up top again, and then it's down low. So let's try those two phrases, imagining that when we're high in our voices, the letter is up here swirling in the wind, and when we're low, it's just being pushed along the pavement, just out of reach. 1. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima, blow away in a rima. Did you see the letter flying around as we sang? Well, let's give that whole thing a go now. We're going to think about the precision of our intervals. We're going to think about standing really well. We're going to think about making the breath between every phrase as relaxed as it could be. And we're also going to think about seeing that letter and the character of this song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. Ophelia, let her blow away, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. It blow away in a rima, it blow away in a rima. Poor old Ophelia just can't keep hold of a post. Well done today. If you want to sing the rest of the song, you'll find a great arrangement on the Voices Foundation website as part of the Songs of Home resource. There's a chance there to sing the song Call and Response, or to divide it up between two groups of singers, to learn some great harmony, and you'll even find out in verse 2 the other place where Ophelia may have lost her letter. Thanks so much for being with us today. If you have something you want to share or celebrate about today's session, we'd love to hear from you. Use the hashtag #VFIntoChoral on any of our social media platforms to stay in touch. We hope you enjoyed yourself and look forward to seeing you again next Monday. Bye-bye.